Hey y'all, so I'm in Milan now. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. If you watched the last video, I was in London and we have arrived in Milan, and I told you we're going to Greece next, but we're in Milan for 2 days. We've been here about maybe like 2 hours and we are about to go out. We're going to do some exploring today. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think we're going to Duomo. We're going to Duomo, Center City, where the shops are and all the like sights to see. So yeah, I'm so excited to be in Italy and get our day started. Okay y'all, so we're at Duomo and we're just sightseeing. It's amazing here. Like, it's so beautiful. I'm like, just to be here in person is such a blessing. Thank you, Kailoni. Oh, I'm sorry, excuse me. We're not gonna try the pizza one?
Y'all want to sit there?
Because this is a pizza restaurant, right?
That's what we try to do with him.
So we're looking for a rooftop right now because we want to go eat. And we're looking for the vibes. So we did end up finding a rooftop restaurant. This one was called the Dome and it was so cute, so aesthetic, and the food was so good. I had a drink that was a pineapple drink and it was green. I don't know why it was green, don't ask me. But they also had other cute aesthetic drinks. I didn't have one of those, but this was like a cotton candy lemonade, I think it was. But super cute, like you see, like so cute. But yeah, it was a really good restaurant. If you go to the Dome, it was hard to find. It was really hard to find. If you go to the Cathedral, it's there. It's like around the corner. It's there. I don't know how to explain it, but it was really hard to find. It's called the Dome Milano. Try it. It was really good. Really good. I had the rigatoni with burrata and everybody else got the lasagna. And we all tried each other's food. I do think the rigatoni with the burrata was the best food we had at the table. It was really good. Wasn't recording.
Oh. Okay, I'll send you these.
Okay. This is September, y'all.
Well, I sent it in
Land.
Yeah, so
And she's helping us with everything.
Oh, you said you wanted that wine photo.
She just
I sent that in the group too.
Thank you. So I am a travel agent. To contact me, you can go on Instagram at your favorite month _ or you can also find me on Facebook under September Monique, and that's CEPTIMBER. Thank you.
Good morning. We're on our way to a bakery. We're going to Lake Como today. Look at us. Look at us. Y'all see it? So we're going to Lake Como today, but we're about to go get some breakfast at a bakery local to here. Yeah, we in Italy. I'm so excited. Right, they all sleeping.
I just can't believe we're here.
This was the best pizza I've ever had in my life. And unfortunately, I can't remember the name of this pizza place, but it's a very small pizza shop right across from where you board the boat at Lake Como. And there's another pizza place. We had a horrible experience there, which I'll be going into when I do my full review of my European tour. But it was a big pizza shop. I would not recommend that one. We're currently at Lake Como. We did our boat tour, which was so dope, so beautiful. Loved it so much. And we are about to go back. Tonight we're doing dinner for Kailoni's birthday. And that's it, right? Yeah.
Unless we find like a club.
Oh, okay. Dinner. I feel like my dress. I can't wear my dress to the club.
Short.
Yeah, but it's like, it's not club worth. It's like, I don't know, immature for the club. I don't know. I mean, if we go, I will wear it. So tonight we're going out to dinner for Kailoni's birthday at La Goia. And while she's getting ready, I'm probably going to go back to the center city part to try McDonald's. But if y'all ever come here, make sure y'all do the boat tour on Lake Como. Take your pictures. I took some really nice pictures. If you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram and look at my pictures. Alright, so I'm in an Uber right now on my way to McDonald's at the Duomo because we have some time before we go to dinner, and I really wanted to check out McDonald's in Italy. So I'm on my way there. Everybody else is on the train. Me and Kailoni took an Uber back, and then they took the train. I would have done that, but I was the one calling the Uber. It was on my phone. It was just complicated, so it just got too complicated, and I got an Uber with her. And then I still wanted to go do this anyway, so yeah, they're still on the train. But before I get ready for later, I definitely wanted to check out McDonald's. They also have a Starbucks roastery here, or Starbucks, no, they have a Starbucks reserve here, so I'll probably try that too if I have time. I want to try to get back by, I want to get back by 7:30, I think, so I don't have that much time because it is 6:48 right now. We'll see, but let's go check out this McDonald's and see what it's in. Okay, I'm here at this McDonald's and I'm about to try everything, but I can't even really stay here long at all. That took forever for me to get my move because they lost my order. I ordered it and my receipt did not print. Why me? But they found it because, yeah, I'm gonna find my order. This was almost $20. Y'all thought. But yeah, they found it. I only ate pork on vacation. So I got these loaded cheese fries, which I just showed y'all. I'm about to try them. The cheese is salty. The cheese is really salty, but it does taste good. I like it. People are literally staring at me, but I'm getting used to it. They've been staring at us the whole entire time. They've even just been like taking pictures of us without asking. Picking up their cameras and taking pictures of us as if we're like zoo animals. It's insane. I hate it bad. But that's a discussion for another day. And then I got chicken nuggets with some sweet and sour sauce. Let's taste theirs. Hold on, let me taste it regular. This is good. It's like light. I like these. I think they taste better in America. They don't taste greasy. And then Asiago. I don't know what it was called. My Selection Asiago. It's like an Asiago burger with bacon and onion sauce and Caesar dressing. I'm about to taste it. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god. Bruh. That is so good. Oh my goodness. That is so good. It tastes like a restaurant burger. Oh my god. This is so good. Oh, that was worth the $20 Uber. Now I need to find a bag because I'm not eating this here. I just wanted to try it here. But I gotta go back. Y'all, if you come to Italy, get this burger, child. Asiago something. I didn't get the one with barbecue sauce. They got one with barbecue sauce. I got the regular one. They come with Caesar dressing and like onion sauce. It's like so good. For Kailoni's birthday, we went to La Goia restaurant. It was really good food. So I got the risotto. So I got the risotto and the cacio de pepe. Most of us at the table got that. I will say, so it was delicious. It was so good, but it was very much al dente, and I like my noodles boiled a little bit longer, and so that kind of threw it off for me. But the taste of it, amazing. And my risotto was also al dente, so yeah, I didn't really enjoy that, but it was good, and it really reminded me of the risotto I had when I went to Nobu. So I like that too, because I haven't been back to Nobu for that risotto. But anyways, I'm getting off on a tangent. But this restaurant was great. They were so accommodating. They were very kind. They gave us like a free little drink. They did kind of trick us into buying dessert because they made us think they were giving it to us for her birthday. But yeah, that's a whole nother story. But the restaurant, the food was good, and it was cool watching them do the cheese wheel right at the table. That was kind of one of the things we went there for that experience, and that was dope. I also got truffle added to the top of my pasta, but I don't understand what truffle is supposed to be because it was tasteless to me. I didn't like it. And that was the end of our Milan trip. We left the next morning to go to Greece. I think we didn't have enough time in Milan. I would have loved to be there just a little bit longer. Milan was really beautiful. I will say my experience with some of the people in Italy, yeah. I'm gonna do a whole nother video about that. But as far as the sights to see, the things to do, I do wish maybe we had one more day in Milan. But we went to Greece, and y'all, no spoilers, but Greece was amazing. I can't wait to share that with y'all. So make sure y'all come back and watch the Greece vlog. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.